Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use Altai Balance to effectively reduce blood sugar levels. If you have been struggling with high blood sugar or diabetes, Altai Balance is a natural supplement that can help you regain control of your health. Join us as we walk you through the process of using Altai Balance to improve your blood sugar levels. Before we dive into the steps of using Altai Balance, let's take a moment to understand what it is. Altai Balance is a scientifically formulated blend of natural ingredients that work synergistically to support healthy blood sugar levels. Its unique combination of herbs, vitamins, and minerals help promote insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar spikes. By taking Altai Balance consistently, you can experience enhanced glucose metabolism and improved overall health. It's always important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have an existing medical condition or are taking medication. Your healthcare provider can assess your individual needs, address any concerns, and provide guidance on how to incorporate Altai Balance into your existing healthcare routine. Remember, your healthcare provider is your best source of personalized medical advice. To get the most out of Altai Balance, it's essential to establish a consistent dosing schedule. The recommended dosage may vary depending on your specific needs and health goals. Typically, it is suggested to take Altai Balance once or twice a day with meals. Follow the instructions provided on the product label or consult with your healthcare provider to determine the ideal dosing schedule for you. While Altai Balance can be a powerful tool in managing blood sugar levels, it's important to remember that it is not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Along with taking Altai Balance, make sure to adopt a balanced diet high in nutrients and low in refined sugars. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to promote overall health and improve insulin sensitivity. By combining a healthy lifestyle with Altai Balance, you can achieve optimal results. Monitoring your blood sugar levels is crucial to track your progress and make any necessary adjustments. With the help of a glucometer, regularly measure your blood sugar levels to gauge the effectiveness of Altai Balance and your overall management plan. If you notice any significant changes or have concerns, consult with your healthcare provider for further guidance. Remember, everyone's body is unique, so it's essential to individualize your approach. Congratulations! You've completed this step-by-step guide on how to use Altai Balance to reduce blood sugar levels. Remember, Altai Balance is a powerful natural supplement that can support your journey towards better blood sugar control and overall health. By understanding Altai Balance, consulting with your healthcare provider, establishing a dosing schedule, incorporating a healthy lifestyle, and monitoring your progress, you can optimize your results. Start your journey to healthier blood sugar levels with Altai Balance today.